Good afternoon, Naisa.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Can you tell me about yourself?
I am Liza Montejo, 25 years old.
Okay. I have few questions for you to answer, so let's start. Why do you want to work as a maid?
Because I have a lot of experience.
Okay. Why you choose Malaysia when there's a lot of other country?
Because Malaysia is a good country.
Okay. How are you qualified for this job?
Because I have a lot of experience about the household chores.
Okay. May I know what is your educational level?
College graduate, 2 years.
Okay. What is your recent experience?
Ex-abroad from Singapore.
As what?
Housemaid.
Okay. Have you worked abroad before?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please tell me what place and how many years you worked for?
Singapore,
How many years?
2 years.
Okay. Do you have experience of taking care of baby?
Yes.
Whose baby you taking care of?
My employer.
Okay. How about elderly people?
Yes.
Whose elderly people you taking care of?
My grandmother.
Okay. Do you have any other special skills?
Cooking.